Hello, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Architect Raj Patel. I hope you like the previous video series I published, upload on the YouTube for last few days. I hope you really enjoyed the last videos. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the easiest and fastest way to build the SketchUp model. So I'm gonna show you my way how to I generally use in practice how I build the SketchUp model and how I convert the exterior plan into the SketchUp model, and then we will go see how to convert into render image. So follow these steps. Here is the AutoCAD drawing. This is the floor plan of my working project. I'm showing you. This is the basically ground floor and this is the first floor basic layout. If you have scale drawing, then you don't need to worry, and if you are a beginner, you don't need to worry. Please follow these steps. It's the easiest way to build the SketchUp model. First of all, you need to open the CAD file and check the units of the layout. My drawing is in architectural inches and feet. So let's minimize this. I open the SketchUp. What you need to do is confirm the drawing units to go in proper scale. Here as the ready-made templates, I generally use architectural inches because my drawing is in feet and inch. So I quick open the inches tab, just go into it. So what is the first step after you open the SketchUp? So this is the general template opening in the feet and inch unit. So what I'm gonna do is just go into file. You need to import first CAD file to build the project. So first you need to go on file, just click on the import icon, import text. Then you go to the destination file. I'm selecting the file I prepared for the sample project. This is my project folder. Just select the file and hit on the import. You don't need to think about this option. We will talk about this in the later detailed video. Just click on the import. So here is the information about the layers, blocks which you made in the AutoCAD drawings. So just click on the close. So here are our plan which I'll show you in the AutoCAD. So this is the 2 floor plan basically. If you check the unit, this is the tape. This is the same as the AutoCAD units. Okay, so first step you need to do is just this is the tab, go into Windows and then window, then you need to go in model info. Just here is the unit option and tick on the precision size you need to set. So I go generally using 1/4, so I'm click on it, then close it. Then next step what you need to do is just here is the toolbar basically. So this is the selection. I'll showing you quickly, then we will talk about this in details when we need it. So this is the eraser, line, arc, circle, and this is the shapes. This is the push, pull, offset, move, rotate, scale, tape, text, paint bucket, orbit, pen, zoom, and zoom extends. So if you are new to SketchUp, here is the tips I'm going to show you. Just scroll down the mouse. This is the zoom out. If you scroll in, this is the zoom in. If you need to move the surface, then you need to click on the scroll wheel. Just tap in the middle. This is the pivot tool. So when you click this icon showing you in the video, this is basically rotating it from the pivot. So this is the first control you need to know. Then what next control is, if you press the shift and press the scroll wheel, if you press the shift and the scroll wheel, it will converted into the pen hand. So this is the basically shortcut of it. You can do it from here also. So when you press shift and press the scroll wheel, this is the surface moving. So this is the second control. You need to practice. First of all, this is difficult for a few days, but after practicing it will be easiest part. So if I need to go here, I am pivoting this window, then I quickly press the 2 keys and zoom in. So when you need to side the surface, just click shift, press scroll and go here, then zoom it, then pivot and zoom out. This is the control you need to practice. This is the basic controls. So we are not wasting our time on it. So what next we do is, just here is the tools to make the model. I just untick the edge style profile, so make the lighter surface. Okay, so what next you gonna do is click on the shapes. I'm showing you the method which I generally use to make my office models. So just click on the rectangle and click on the one point of the rectangle and drag on the other point. So it will become the rectangle. Then I'm going to arrow and select the surface. Then make the group. So it will be easiest to move anywhere. If I'm not doing group, I'm showing you from beginning. If I make this only, then I try to move, it is basically happening like this. So when you make the rectangle and then click and then make into group, so it is the easiest part to move. So I am using this way. That's another way to do this. Make the rectangle outside, then select all and make the group, then double click into it, so you will enter into group and then delete it. So we are doing this in the group. So I'm making the wall, then I go to push. Its shortcut command is P. If you press P, it is the shortcut. You can select also from here. So when you drag the mouse upon the surface, you will show the dot surface. So I just click onto it, then it will becoming like a push-pull surface. If you go downwards, this is the push, and it's upward is pull. So here is the height showing by the SketchUp. So if I pull this is the 1 feet, this is the 3 and the multiplying. So if you need the correct and accurate measurement, what you need to do is just click the push tool, then one click on it, then type the number of height you need. If you are using the feet inch, then type in feet. If you are using meter and mm, then type in mm. So I just pressing the standard numbers. So I type the 10 feet and hit the enter. So this is the height of 10 feet. If you measure the tape, this will be 10 feet. Okay, so what next I do is just go into group, double click into it, then again I select the push tool. Then what you need to do is, if you single click and select it, it will become like no lines. It is the monolithic surface. I control Z the surface. If you press the control, you will show the plus icon near the mouse cursor. So just press the control one time, then you push the line, so you will show the line. There is basically two surface splitted into two surface. I'm telling you why I'm doing this. This is the easiest way. So again I press the control, so this is the new surface extended. There is the another line. Then again, when the break is happening, you will need to push it. So why I am doing this, there is the reason. Because of there is the window in the plan piece surface, so I need to add the sill and lintel. So what I'm doing next is I push the surface down 7 feet. So this is the Indian standard size of sill. So this is the 3 feet sill. So what next I will do is I quickly control push the surface to 4 feet window. So what is happening, this is the 7 feet lintel. Then again I control press and push the surface. Then I press the control and then push the surface inside, so it will become the hollow. So you will see the window surface here. Okay, so this is the way I am making the wall. If you are making the surface above, I quickly show you in time lapse. Quickly build this one room. Just check it out. This is the my method I am using from years to build the 3D. So I make the walls. Then when I need to make the slab, this is the way. What I'm gonna do is just draw the rectangle outside, click wall rectangle and right click and just tap on the make group. So after that, this is the group. So I just select the move tool, point on the corner and place on the corner of slab. So this is the plane, then double click into it, hit the 5-inch. So then push the surface towards the exterior walls. So this is the easiest way to make this slab. If I need to edit, the reason why I'm telling to do this in the groups, because of the editing problem. So if I don't do this, you can't move like this. So if I need to delete the ceiling, so I just quick select it and go hit the delete button. If I need to delete the wall, then I click and delete it. So this is the wall separate groups. If I need to, then I draw the rectangle here and push the cut out the window. So you just need to practice to become the faster. So delete it, then the push tool and adjust the height to align it. You click on it and put in the nearest surface, and this is the window again. So this is the way you build the room. So what next, I'll say this, I put the lintel here. So basic lintel height I put the 7 feet. So what you need to do is just select the line and then press the move button and press the control to add the copy sign. Then again click on the point and then you give the height. I type the 7 feet, so you will see the line here. So I can again push the surface and put it. So this is the lintel. So what is the next step is, this is not still completed. This is just the box, the wall and the ceiling. So I just erase this line by using the eraser tool. Select the eraser from the here, then quickly erase for the neat model. Then what next step is, just go outside, click on the rectangle tool, then make the flooring. How to make the flooring? Just click on the rectangle tool and then here you will show the measurement. So I put the size of 2 feet 6 inches, then add comma to put the other rectangle dimension. I type the 5 feet 0 inches. So just hit the enter. So you show the flat plane of 2.5 feet by 6 feet. Just select on and right click and then make the component. This is the different from making the group. You need to make the component. Just click on that, then this window will open. They rename the component. I rename the flooring. Hit the enter. So it is become the component now. So what difference in group and component is, if I copy this component, if I edit this one, I put the line in this, will automatically converted it whole components. So it's easier to correct the material and all the stuff. So just give the thickness of 0.25. Then what you need to do is just select it, press the M to select the move tool, click on the point, then right click, then press the control, then select the surface, make the move tool, click on the left click on the point above surface, then click on the control, so it will copy, place on the other side's red axis point. Then if you want to multiple copy, so just press the X and type the number you want. I type the 12, so hit the enter. So it will automatically copy into multiple. This is shortcut way to do. Just I quickly select these all, then select on the point, then press the control and put it on the other point, then type the number of multiplication I want. I type the 12. So you will see these 12 tiles. Select all of them and right click and simply make the group, this time not component, group. Then select the one point of the tiles and put it on the corner of the room. So why I am making the component is the double click on it, and if you need to add the grout, then this is the offset tool. So just go into component, so select the offset tool and click on the edge of the surface and type the dimension of the grout what you need. I type 0.125 and and hit the enter. So what you will see, there is the editing done in all the tiles. See, if I click on it, that's it. So what next is bucket tool. Just I place the black color in the ground, so you will see the difference. Click on the bucket tool. So here is the material palette showing off. Then you select the colors, go select black color, go into component, again press the bucket tool and put the black color on the surface. So you will see the colors in the wall flooring. So what next is the sill of the window. So just I make the rectangle on the wall, select it and make the group, then place on the point. Just this is the next step. There is the stretch tool. If I select this one, then I press the S. This is the scale tool. This is the shortcut. S is the shortcut of scale. I stretch it from here and stretch it from here. Then I go into group, then offset to 0.5 to the stone size. So you see the lines. I just select the middle surface, delete it, then select the push surface, put on it and align to the exterior wall. So what you get is the stone surface of the window. Just apply the material, go into material palette, select the material, select the stone, the black one. Just go into the group, select Ctrl A, then place the material. So you see there is the stone sill applied to the wall surface. You can adjust the material stretch from this tool, whatever as per your requirement. We will show detail in later in the video. Make this sill also. Delete and just put down it. So see, apply the material again. So our window is ready. So what you next you need to do is just go into Google Chrome, just search the window or any component you want from preset, window, 3D warehouse, anything you want. Just type before the name. If you want stair, then type the stair 3D warehouse. This is the easiest way I use it. I want a window, so I type the window, then type the 3D warehouse. So go into images. Here is the easiest way to find. I type the sliding window. So this is the window already someone uploaded into the library. I just select this one to just show you. Forget the specification right now. Just select this one. Tap into visit. First you need to do is the sign in into the account to download this. If you don't have Trimble account, just quickly sign up with the Google. I already have the account, so I just select from the Google. So just this is the complete the login procedure. So after you log in, then open this one, visit. So it will automatically showing your name. Then click on the download the SketchUp file. Your file is downloaded. So this is the basically SketchUp file. So just if you want in other format, this is the Collada file, another version for the Lumion. Then quickly drag and drop from the library or direct from the browser. I mostly using from like this. Just drag and drop into the model. So you will see the window I downloaded is here. So just quickly select from the, if you select the move tool and then place in the middle, you will see the midpoint is written. So I select from the middle, and if you want to place in the middle, you will find the this middle point. When you go near the middle point, it will show you the middle. So just place on the midpoint. So our dimension is different from this. So what we gonna do is the scale, the window. Just select the window S, type S, then you will see the stretch points. If I stretch from here, it will become this direction. If I stretch from the middle, it will only increase the height. If I stretch from this middle, this is increase the width. If I select the front, this is the, and this is increasing the only front width. Corner is for overall width. What I do is the adjust this from the middle width and height. So this is the window placement. Then again the other window, I select this, sorry I forget, and copy it. Then this is the rotate tool, select it, select on the below surface, just click it, and you will show dimension or angle by the rotating, or you will just simply type 90. So this is the then I place into it midpoint. So this is the window. Then what you need to make the door is just this extend this tiles is so draw the rectangle on the group surface, then select it, right click and make the group, then place on the surface, then push the door to it. I push for the 2 inch, so it will, you will see the plane, then push pull adjust, give it, and then put the 2 inch back moving. So after that I am giving the door the wood material. So this is the wood. So what is remaining is the skirting of the floor. So how to make this skirting? Just go into wall tab, click the below line of the wall, you will see the blue highlight, just click on it, then type M, then select any point and press the control. This you show these lines upward side. I will make it in part, so you will show in this part object. So I place into 2 inches, then draw the continuous line on the, if you find the colors, the line will going into axis way. So this is the first cutting. So after that you will also draw like that. So I will place it in 2 inch. So there is, select it and place on 2 inch. The last one. So this is the dot surface showing the surface difference. This is the separate, this is the separate. So what I am next do is just click on the floor and apply to floor material. This is not check the dropper tool. This is not material, this is the default white color. So I'll select the marble to show you the difference. So I'm selecting these stone, select the first marble, place the material. So you will see the whole surface becoming marble surface. Then apply the same material by double clicking it, to skirting. So we will see now this. Our line is leakage from here. Apply remaining. So you see. So what is the problem? The line is ended here. So you will see from render. So line is breaking. So select it. Complete the line. So it will different. So this is the way to build the small room exterior interior surface according to your requirement. If you doing the exterior, then you need to focus on the outer surface more than the interior surface. This way you can build the SketchUp model. So what next time showing you how to change and adjust the material. In the next video I'm showing you the how to change the materials, and then we will apply the different textures and how to use the next complicated, no, I'll tell you the not complicated but tricky to use. I'll show you next some tools how to use it in advanced level and make the model easiest way. So if you like the video, please like the if you like the video please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon and like and share with more and more your interior architectural colleagues. This is architect Raj Patel. So bye for now.